Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to move files between accounts. First step, you have to sign into your first account, which is this one for my case, then select everything that you want to share. So in my case I want to move these files to another account, so I will select them, right click on share, then share, and simply type here email address of the account that you want to share your files with. So click on this and then click send. Just make sure he's editor. But now it's not done because now these files are shared with him, but he's not the owner. So I will show you how to make him owner. So this is the second account. I will go over to share with me, and as you can see, the owner is still first account. So it's not in my drive, it's just shared. So how to make me owner? Go over to first account, right click again on these files, press share, and click on this editor next to your email address, that is the second account address, and click on transfer ownership. Then click on send invitation, and then you have to go over to your second account, but now to your Gmail. So in my Gmail, as you can see in my second account, invitation for these items. You have to click on respond, and then it will open up Google Drive with all this. So you can easily make them in your drive just by clicking on them, then selecting them, right click, and you have to click on make a copy. Then when you go over to your drive, you should see copy has been made. Now owner is me. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.